G'day YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got, unfortunately what's happened is over our summer in Melbourne here, we've had some extreme weather, I guess you could say, and the sprinklers didn't do as much wind watering as I expected, and on these Chinese Quince we've had some leaf burn. Now it's pretty obvious and pretty horrendous. You can see half the leaves, some of the leaves are nice and green still, but some are half burnt. So a bit unfortunate, but these things happen. Don't stress too much. What you can do is pretty simple. You have seen this. I put a video of this tree earlier. I've got a couple of videos of this tree in my channel, where I've repotted occasionally, and the other times I've defoliated it as well. Repotted it, and I think I did some styling as well on this. I'll put some previous videos up. But really, the solution today is only one. There's only really one thing to do. I don't want it looking like this the rest of the year. So I've got another, how many months? It's February now, start of Feb. Yeah, I don't want to see it for another 4 months, 5 months like this. It looks pretty horrendous. So you cut it all off, pretty much. Cut all the leaves off. So pretty much defoliate this tree again. Should be no problems with this tree coming back again, full leaves and etc. The only question is maybe flowering, because I'm putting so much pressure, or making it need to push leaves again. Maybe it won't flower, but we'll see what happens with that. But really all you can do is defoliate, so that's what we'll be doing today. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Just defoliate it, and then just keep it well watered again like previously. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So pretty easy. I usually start at the top because I don't want to make such a mess, and I'll just cut all the stems off, the leaf stems off. If I usually have a bin, so I can just chuck them straight in. There's probably a good chance what else we could do is actually look at the tree and structure as well this time of year. So you just cut the little leaf off. Just cut them all off. Pretty easy. I'll just grab a bin. I didn't grab a bin. Otherwise I'm going to do double the amount of work. Sometimes they just pull off in your hand if they're really crispy. These things happen. Usually happens to my tridents, but this year they've been good. The trident maples. But this guy mustn't have been on the sprinkler system well enough, or well inside the perimeter of the sprinklers. So maybe that's why that caused it. There's some actually are green here. I'm not going to take them off. But if there are any signs of burn, they're gone. You can pull a lot of them off actually. But in here there's a couple of nice green ones, so I'm going to leave them. Anything that's nice and green I'll leave. So these are all brown, so they can go. Things like that. So I'm just going to defoliate the tree, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay. Alright, so pretty easy job. Defoliated the tree, well, not totally defoliated. You can see I've left some nice little green, smaller leaves, not the big ones that were on there. Looked like the majority of the big ones got damaged, which is understandable. They have the biggest surface area, so they're likely to be damaged quicker. But the smaller ones looked okay. I just missed the brown one. There we go. Always do that. Missed a couple more. Oh, bad. I can sometimes pluck them off. It's easier. The structure is quite good on this tree. I only removed some kind of little spindly branches. I just wanted to get back to the main branching on this clump style tree. It's going to look really nice. I think if this flowers, it will look brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So I just got to get it to flower now. So any tips on getting this to flower? Be great. Chinese Quince, there you go. But when I got it, it was flowering, so I'm assuming it will just flower again sometime soon. But there you go. Nice, cleaned it up. No real risk to the tree. It just looked terrible. I didn't want it to stay like that all the rest of the year. So yeah, defoliate. Come back, new foliage in a couple of weeks' time. So we'll start to poke out new foliage, and probably in a month's time we'll be nice and full again. But that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Nice, quick, short one on what happens in summer actually to a lot of trees if you get leaf burn or the tree dries out and the leaves get burnt and they're crisp, you got to take them off. No problem with deciduous trees usually, so give it a go. See you guys next time. Take care.